Uja Uba Nepernehast, Good Rising and Great Awakenings. My name is ARIT Neter S. Medimaati, aka TCHIYA AMET, and I am a cosmic sound healer and a musician. I am the founder of KemeTones Cosmic Sound Healing, the founder of Heduscope's 13-month sidereal Kemetic astrology system, and I'm also a Kemetic chantress, a singing priestess. I've been a reggae and world music artist for over 30 years. And I'd like to invite you to this upcoming class at the Infinity Foundation Meditate-A-Thon. It's called Cosmic Chimes and Chanting. The Cosmic Chimes and Chanting session will begin with a Heduscope's astrology reading, and from the reading we'll determine which chimes and which chants will be offered. I use the Accutonics Cosmic Chimes for this session. And sometimes I'll use different hand instruments, like I have a djembe here, and also this beautiful Sepriwa, a Ghanaian harp, which is very similar to the images we see of the Kemetic harps in the iconography. It's called Cosmic Chimes and Chanting because the planetary vibrations are corresponding to different gods and goddesses from the Netarian tradition. And the gods and goddesses are also known as cosmic forces of nature. Nature comes from the term neter, or neter. And the session will leave you feeling aligned and at peace. It'll be purifying. You'll learn a little bit about some of the Egyptian mysteries and the myths of the gods and goddesses. And you'll also be invited to participate in the call and response by chanting along. So you'll also learn some terminology from the Medu Neter, which is the divine language or divine speech. So the Meditate-A-Thon is November 16th. It starts at 9:30, and the KemeTones presentation will be at 4 p.m. And I'm just really grateful for this opportunity to be a part of the Infinity Foundation. And I look forward to seeing you there at Cosmic Chimes and Chanting on November 16th. Hatep.